vegetarian is easy and delicious.
My family bought another bag of bamboo shoots, so I have to challenge myself to cook bamboo shoot dishes again. As my longtime viewers know, I don't eat bamboo shoots, so making this recipe is truly a challenge. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Let's tackle it together, ha. Today's recipe is stir-fried bamboo shoots with pickled vegetables ***. My family said it could be even more sour, so feel free to adjust the tanginess to your own taste. Ingredients: pickled mustard green, bamboo shoot, chopped garlic. For my vegan friends, you can use ***ginger as a substitute instead of garlic. Since my family still eats meat and this dish is for them anyway, I'll just use up the garlic we have at home. It's fine to cut the leafy parts of the pickled vegetables into large pieces, but chop the stems into smaller bits.
Sliced bamboo shoot.
Fresh bamboo shoots have a sweet, delicate flavor with a subtle earthy aroma and a slight natural astringency. I don't enjoy bamboo shoots mainly due to their astringency and distinct earthy smell, plus the texture feels too fibrous for me. It's just like durian lovers find its aroma heavenly, while haters can't run far enough. Different strokes for different folks, right? Blanch bamboo shoots in boiling water for 5 to 8 minutes. Adjust timing by thickness: 5 minutes for slices, 8 minutes for chunks until no white core remains. Blanching removes bitterness and oxalates while breaking down fibers for a tender texture. Stir-fry chopped garlic until release fragrant. Garlic releases its fullest aroma when golden fried. Keep medium-low heat to avoid bitterness from overcooking. Saute the pickled greens over medium heat until their distinctive sour fragrance emerges. This indicates the volatile compounds have fully activated. Once the pickled greens are fragrant, add bamboo shoots and stir-fry over high heat for 2 minutes to let them absorb the tangy aroma. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 trap sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, half bowl water.
Omit chicken powder at own preference.
Stir-fry pickled greens with bamboo shoots over high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Keeps the shoots crisp tender while preserving the greens texture. For richer color, add dark soy sauce to enhance the glaze. There you go, fragrant bamboo shoots stir-fry with pickled greens. Plate up and enjoy! Pickled mustard greens are rich in probiotics and vitamin C, with fermentation-generated organic acids that aid digestion. Bamboo shoots provide high dietary fiber and potassium, being low-calorie while supporting metabolism. The savory saltiness of pickled greens balances bamboo shoots' astringency, creating layered umami flavors. The crisp, tender texture of bamboo shoots contrasts perfectly with the chewy resilience of pickled greens. This combination enhances the dish's amino acid profile for greater nutritional synergy. The fermented tang of pickled greens and bamboo shoots' earthy freshness are a match made in culinary heaven. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.